Celebrating what I see. Finally realizing self-care is never selfish.
Hi loves, welcome back to my page. I'm Rashida, licensed esthetician and the founder of Rilax Esthetics. Here we believe self-care isn't just a luxury, it's a cornerstone of our well-being. Today I'll be sharing with you all top skincare mistakes that could be ruining your glow. As a licensed esthetician, I see these things all the time, and once you stop doing them, you'll notice a huge difference in your skin. So stick around because I'll also be giving you tips on what to do instead so you can get back that healthy and radiant glow. Mistake number one, not exfoliating or over exfoliating. As an esthetician, I see both quite often. Now, if you're not exfoliating, that means layers of dead skin cells are building up on the surface of your skin, and that can cause dullness and clogged pores. And your glow that you so badly want is being hidden under layers of buildup. On the other hand, if you're over exfoliating, and that's scrubs, blushes, acids, these things can strip the skin's natural barrier, and that can lead to redness, irritation, and even breakouts. So you may be thinking, what do I do then? I got you. So you want to aim for balance. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Nothing with harsh scrubbing, okay? You want to think gentle and consistent care, right? This leads to clear, smooth, and radiant skin. Mistake number two, sleeping in your makeup. Look, we've all slept in our makeup. It happens. But this can lead to clogged pores, dullness, and even breakouts. At night, the body does much of its reparative work, and this includes the skin. The skin is trying to repair itself, and the makeup impedes that process. So you may be thinking, okay, what do I do instead, right? Because we all get tired. We may not want to get up and properly cleanse, but that's where plan B comes in. Always keep micellar water or some gentle cleansing wipes by your bed. And that way, if you just can't bring yourself to get up, all you have to do is reach on your nightstand and cleanse your face. Mistake number three, skipping moisturizer. If you're oily or you have acne prone skin, you may think skipping moisturizer is the best option. It's not. Don't do it. Big mistake. When our skin is dehydrated, it overproduces oil to compensate. So this leads to even more breakouts and uneven textures. So you say, what do I do instead? Again, I got you. Choose a light moisturizer, non-comedogenic, and trust me, your skin will thank you. Mistake number four, not wearing SPF. Now, this is the biggest, most important mistake on the list, in my opinion. When we don't wear SPF, we cause premature aging, dark spots, and damage that steals our glow. But beyond aesthetics, we put ourselves at a much higher risk of skin cancer. So even on those cloudy days or when you're inside near windows, UV rays can still reach your skin and cause harm. So what do you do instead? You choose a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Make sure you're applying it daily. And honestly, this is the best anti-aging, best skincare product that you could ever own. Okay, it protects you from premature aging, but most importantly, it protects your health. And honestly, what's better than that? Mistake number five, using too many products. Last but certainly not least is doing too much. Using a bunch of different products does not always guarantee better results. In fact, it can cause the skin more irritation. And also, skincare routines are about consistency. That's the most important part. And the more complex you make your skincare routine, the less likely you are to follow it. So, what should you do instead? Keep it simple. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type and a moisturizer and an SPF. And trust me, you're going to be on your way to glowing skin. So there you have it. 5 skincare mistakes that could be holding you back from your glow and what to do instead. Skincare is about consistency and care, not perfection. Well, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, When we care for ourselves, we're more equipped to care for others. And that leads to more kindness, more love, and balance in the world.
Self-care is never selfish. Loving me is worth it. Self-care is never selfish.